What makes Crossroads RV so special? More standards than options. That's their hallmark and has been for 25 years inside and outside the travel trailers and fifth wheels. Right now, let's go over a great combo line, the Crossroads Volante. Volante has a wide variety of both travel trailer and fifth wheel floor plans. I'll go through some select ones, but first, let's check into some features that make up the Crossroads Volante. Fine features definitely starts inside the Volante kitchen. In here, you'll find everything you need to create fabulous camp meals. There's a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge with an 8 cubic foot gas-electric fridge option, extra large double bowl stainless steel sink, a 3-burner range with oven, a microwave, a range hood with light and exhaust fan, steel ball-bearing drawer guides, and more. The living area is all about comfort. First, you get height, as in a minimum of 81 inches of ceiling height. Stay cool with a 13.5K BTU AC with second AC option in a bedroom, or another option is to bump up your AC to a 15,000 BTU unit. To keep warm, every Volante comes with a toasty electric fireplace and a large furnace. Comfort continues with premium residential furniture, and the booth dinette, where applicable, has storage with doors below the seats. In the Volante bathroom, you'll find a long-lasting porcelain toilet, large vanity bowl sink, linen storage in a lot of models, and a neo-angle shower with either a glass enclosure or shower curtain on a curved track. What of the bedroom? You'll find a comfy mattress with a lot of them being king size and nightstands having outlets and USB ports on each side. By the way, there are USB ports all over inside a Volante. Oh, the bedroom also has its own TV hookup. As far as entertainment goes, the Volante is very accommodating. You'll certainly get the previously mentioned USB ports, but you'll also get an entertainment center with a Bluetooth soundbar and Wi-Fi prep, plus either a 39-inch or 50-inch TV, depending upon model. To help get reception, the Volante exterior comes with an HD digital TV antenna, plus a pair of speakers with nifty LED light accents. There's a lot more to the Volante exterior than continuing your entertainment. You'll get a nice sized power awning with LED light accents, plus power stabilizer jacks or landing gear, depending upon if it's a Volante travel trailer or fifth wheel. You want more power? Who doesn't? Every Volante is prepped for solar power. What else for the Volante exterior? Most will have a 60-gallon fresh water tank, and that tank, along with the others, sits nestled inside a fully enclosed and forced air heated underbelly. Other exterior items you'll love to know that come with every Volante are an outside shower to help keep the outdoors outside, backup camera prep to aid in safely maneuvering your Volante, a spare tire and carrier for the unforeseen flat, which we hope you never have, and the black tank flush for, well, obvious reasons. As far as looks, all Volante models sport a smooth-sided fiberglass body that includes a fiberglass front cap. As stated, Volante has both travel trailers and fifth wheels in their lineup. I'll highlight some select travel trailers first, but just so you know, Volante travel trailers need a good-sized truck to tow them. They average around 7,500 pounds unloaded and are from about 30 to 38 feet in length. First, let's hit some great-for-the-family bunkhouse floor plans. The Volante 28BH has double bunks, a large living area slide out, a kitchen with tons of counter space, and a walk-in pantry. The 28BH can accommodate 8 sleepers. The 32SB has a private bunk room with a flip-up bunk and a jackknife sofa and a slide. There's a large living area slide, the bedroom has solid sliding doors for privacy, and the bathroom has direct access from the exterior. You'll also get an outside kitchen. The 32SB has the ability to handle 8 snoozers. There are a lot of nice Volante travel trailer floor plans for the camping couple. One is the 29RB, which has a massive rear bath with a pair of vanity sinks and a wardrobe closet with washer-dryer prep. A single slide-out opens up the living area, the kitchen has a walk-in pantry, and the bedroom has a private entry from the exterior. The 29RB can sleep up to 5. Despite being able to sleep 4, the 34RE is a great entertainment travel trailer. The back end has opposing slide-outs, a large sofa, theater seats, and a very accommodating kitchen island. Up front, the bed is in a slide, and the front cap is all closet. Now let's move on to the Volante fifth wheels. There are a few lighter weight fifth wheels, but most are going to be close to the 10,000 pound mark in unloaded weight. As far as length, average will be 35 feet or so, but a handful will be over 40. The 270BH is a very popular model. It has double bunks and a large living area slide out. The pantry is full length and you'll get an outside kitchen. The unique part of this one is a half bath for the master bedroom. The 270BH can sleep up to 9. The 310BH has a private bunk room with its own slide out. The living area has a large slide out and a standalone pantry. You'll find a private half bath in the bedroom, an outside kitchen, and direct access to the bathroom from the exterior. The 310BH can handle 9 people. The Volante 3851FL is a beast. In the back is a master suite complete with a king bed in a slide and a large private bath with washer-dryer prep. In the center, there are opposing kitchen slide-outs, a nice kitchen island, plus a half bath. Up front is all entertainment, with an entertainment center with pop-up TV in the cap, opposing hide-a-bed sofas, and theater seats. The 3851 can easily handle a half dozen sleepers. With the Crossroads Volante, the floor plan choices are plenty to give you a lot of options on how you want to take your family and friends out camping. From travel trailers to fifth wheels, we're confident you can find the Volante to make you very camp happy.